Looking back at your past interests and skills, do you think taking this course was a natural progression for you?
Yes.
Honestly, it is kasi una talaga gusto ko maging multimedia artist
because it aligns well with my creative skills and career aspirations.
Mahilig ako sa mga games na gumagawa ng mga model related sa course.
Kaso, sidetrack tayo, naging architecture student ko and it led me back here at EMC.
Was there a specific project or experience in this course that changed how you see yourself as a creator or professional?
For me, general yung sasagot ko. Through the EMC program, nag-expand yung knowledge ko sa ways kung paano i-express yung creative visions ko.
Currently, right now is the Advanced 3D, which is currently doing mostly environment.
Dati, akala ko hanggang illustrations lang yung kaya ko. Pero now, I can also do motion graphics, 3D art, and more.
Dati, akala ko sa EMC course, puros lang siya drawing. Like, focus lang talaga siya sa drawing. Pero marami pa palang iba. Natuto ko ng mga Adobe apps and even Blender.
And lastly, how has this course influenced your long-term goals? Did it reinforce your original plans or open up new possibilities you hadn't considered before?
It opened a lot of new opportunities kasi akala ko nga dati is puro lang nga lang drawing to. So yung goal ko is maging illustration artist ako. Pero since parang nag-widen yung ang perspective ko, mas prefer ko na ngayon yung parang graphic designing. Gano'n.
Right now, mostly we're doing 3D models, which is I like to do.
Originally, naglilin ako sa graphics design. Pero through the EMC program, through the skills na natutunan ko and yung experience na-experience ko, mas nagkaroon na ako ng maraming career options and choices na path na pwedeng pahakit sa future.